Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working. This is the BMW. This is the 2020. So I'm going to show you how to reset the brake light. So first thing first, you just come right over here. You just tap it 3 times. So you 1, 2, 3. This thing should be able to come up like that, and then you can see on the screen it's showing you all the information right over there. So what you do, you just come right over here. You see it right over here, and then you just hold this BC. Let me just zoom it in there. BC, you hold it, and then you give it like maybe like 15 seconds or so until you see something on the dash. So let's keep holding it. So it will be a minute. You will not see something coming up immediately, so just keep holding it. So right there, so it's rear brake parts. It's telling you it's past 4,000. So you hold it again. So it's a reset possible. So when you hold it again like that, you keep holding, and then what comes up right over here is a reset, and you leave it, and then you can hold it back again. So you keep holding it, just keep holding it, and then eventually it's saying once it's a reset in progress, you can leave right over here. You can leave your hand, and then you let it just do that. And then say rear brake pads 20,000 seconds. So once the rear is finished, you keep tapping right here. You just tap like that. So when you tap, when you see right over there, this thing keeps changing. So you go until the front. So right here is the front, and then you just hold it. So when you hold it, just the way I'm doing right now, you hold it and it says reset. Just keep waiting for it. So I say reset, you can leave it, and then you can hold it again. And then this time you hold it, and then when you see this thing has started resetting, then you can leave your hand. So let's wait for it. So right there, you can leave your hand just like that, and then you can let the system just reset like that, and then it says reset successful. So once that is done, our system is reset. And then once we start our car, the brake light, which is supposed to be somewhere here, it shows a brake light which is on the red, is gone. So it tells us that our reset has been successful and we are good to go. All right, thank you for watching the video, and then please like and subscribe, and then see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.